The alchemy of nature. Alchemy of nature means the magic of nature. Now we will see the magic of nature. Today, man has developed a lot. He reached on the moon, but yet he can't realize the miracle of nature. William Blake says, to see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. What a beautiful line he said. When we instinctively or naturally turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being, nature whispers and commands. Are you listening? When I do, it leaves me in complete awe. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting, means it dries. The morning after, it withers and decays completely, and by evening it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? Student, when we went to Rocky Beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean and the rocks along the side carved, sculpted and shaped by the water, what is the power of water? Water is so gentle, rock is so hard, yet the water flows over it every day. For years, the rock gives in. It takes the shape the water commands. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small, yet persist. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over, but 3 months passed. Spring set in and the tree was back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds and life. What if we too had the conviction, means strong belief, that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever. Remember, this too shall pass. The days will be past. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant's size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on a frail pillars and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? Have you seen spiders' webs? Spider webs are delicate, yet very strong. A rainbow colors the entire sky. Oysters take in a grain of sand, they open up with a pearl. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. The wind makes trees dance with unhindered passion. Water without a hint of ego changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. When we see caterpillar turn into a butterfly, we experience the alchemy of nature. A flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves.